The dangers, like every other dispute, is that they'll get out of control, that one country or the other will engage in provocative behavior, dispatch fishing boats to the region that try to challenge the territorial claims. That then results in the other country deploying either military vessels or Coast Guard vessels, and the next thing you know, there's an incident that could result in greater violence or conflict. That's the danger.
But you have a defense agreement with Japan, so the next thing you know might be that you're being called on to get involved.
Well, we do have an agreement with Japan, but we've also made clear that that it's really important that Japan engage with China to resolve these issues, because you're right. These kinds of incidents could very well ultimately drag the United States into it in one capacity or another. That's the last thing we want.
We've all been looking to see where he's been recently. The question's got to be...
No, we were kidding when I came from Washington that one of my tasks would be to figure out where he is.
Well, you figured out where he is. Did you figure out how he is?
Yeah, no, I found him to be very healthy, in good shape. His mind was great. He always engages in very candid conversations, and we had a very good meeting. Actually, it went on far beyond the time that we thought, because he was so interested in discussing the issues.